What's the meaning of climate? Climate. Climate.
Climate. Climate. The term climate refers to the typical weather patterns and conditions that are expected in a particular region over a long period of time. This includes factors such as temperature, precipitation, wind, and humidity. Changes in climate can have significant impacts on ecosystems, economies, and human societies. Increasing levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases in the atmosphere are causing global temperatures to rise, leading to more frequent extreme weather events such as heat waves, storms, and droughts. Addressing climate change requires collective action from individuals, governments, and businesses to reduce greenhouse gas emissions.